name's Jason. We have a couple classes together. I just want you to know I think you're really hot.
Think I'm hot?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, no way. Thank you.
What?
Thank you so much. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
No, seriously, it's so true. Like, you have no idea.
Wow.
Do you want to meet up?
Hello?
Hello?
What's your name?
Jason?
What?
What? Hello?
Here, just call me back later, people.
James?
Oh, man.